Hi, welcome to Math Tutorial 101. Today's lesson is all about writing vertex form from the parabola. We won't waste our time. Start learning. In this lesson, we will be using the formula y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. From this example, our vertex is 2 and 5. 2 is our h, and 5 is our k. 0 is our x, and negative 3 is our y. We are going to substitute those numbers to the formula given. Negative 3 equals a times 0 minus 2 quantity squared plus 5. Now let's find the value of a. Our solution is negative 3 equals a times 0 minus 2 quantity squared plus 5. We subtract 2 from 0. The difference is negative 2. Then we square negative 2. Negative 2 squared is equals to 4. After squaring 2, we transfer 5 before the equal sign and it will become negative 5. Negative 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 is equal to 4 over a. Let's divide both sides by 4 so that 4 will be cancelled and a is the only one left in the other side. So, negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. The value of a is negative 2. Our vertex form is y equals to 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 squared plus 5.
How to make the vertex form into standard form? Our vertex form is y equals to negative 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 squared plus 5. In order to convert it into standard form, we must expand the equation until it becomes y equals ax plus bx plus c. So we must first solve the quantity of x minus 2 squared using the formula of the product of a square of a binomial, which is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. We then replace our variables with r given. So, negative 2 times the quantity of x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 5. We distribute negative 2 to the trinomial. So, negative 2 times x squared is equals to negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 4x is equals to negative 8x. Negative 2 times 4 is equals to negative 8. Then, negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 8 plus 5. We add negative 8 and 5 and it becomes to negative 3. Now our standard form is negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 3.
Did you learn something from the last example? Let's have another example. As we can see from the parabola, our vertex is 0 and 1. Then our second point is 2 and 2. Let us first write the formula. Y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. Then we substitute all the numbers from the vertex and the second point. So 2 equals a times 2 minus 0 quantity squared plus 1. The next step is we need to find the value of a. We then subtract the numbers inside the parentheses and square them after. 2 equals a times 2 quantity squared plus 1. Then 2 equals a times 4 plus 1. We transfer 1 before the equal sign, then it will become negative 1. 2 minus 1 equals 4a. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Divide both sides by 4, then cancel 4 so that the only one left is a. Your a is equals to 1 over 4. Since we're done looking for the value of a, then we already have our vertex form, which is y equals 1 over 4 times x minus 0 quantity squared plus 1.
Now let's convert the vertex form into standard form. First, we expound x minus 0 quantity squared using the formula of a product of a binomial, which is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. We replace the variables with the given. X is our x and 0 is our y. So that gives us x squared plus 2 times x times 0 plus 0 squared. First, we multiply. 2 times x times 0 is equals to 0. 0 squared is equals to 0. We add those two together and we get x squared left. So y equals 1/4 times the quantity of x squared plus 1. We then multiply 1/4 to x squared. The product is 1/4 x squared. So now we have y equals 1/4 x squared plus 1. That is the standard form.